Hey, my name's Jess, also known as That Video Girl, and I want to help you to stand out and get found through video. And today I want to show you how to correctly upload videos to your YouTube channel. Now, this really might be something that you've done so many times before, it's ridiculous, and you feel like, I got this, I know what I'm doing. But there are a couple of things which even me, as somebody who has been uploading videos since 2010, I didn't know about. So the first screen that you're probably going to be seeing is this one. It's your feed. It's like your homepage feed. And up the top here is a little icon that when you hover over it, it says create a video or post. Click upload a video. You can just drag and drop a video file from a folder on your computer. I prefer to select just so that I have a bit more control over the process. And on this little drop down menu here, you've got a few options. I just want to tell you what these all mean. First of all, public means that the second your video is uploaded, it's public, it's out there, right? Unlisted. This means that your video will be published. However, only people who have the link to your video will be able to see it. Private is private. You are the only one who is going to see it. Scheduled means that once you have uploaded your video, you can actually set it to go live at a particular day on a particular time. Scheduling a video is something that I used to do all the time. I don't so much now. Instead, I like to put things as unlisted and I make it live. Now, please keep in mind that this video is not about boxes. It's just a sample video. It's really important that you use a searchable title because it's one of the most important things that YouTube looks at when it comes to your video content. Now, description. This area here, you can click on the corner and actually drag it down to make it larger and just give you a bit more room. The first 2 to 3 sentences are VIP area. They are the most important bit. It's something that can help YouTube understand what your video is about so it can help to serve it to just the right people. Another tip is to include words from your title in this section. You should also include a CTA, a call to action, in this top little bit here. Next, you want to write a short paragraph or maybe 2 short paragraphs about the content within the video. This will help YouTube understand what it's about, and also if anybody clicks on your show more, it will actually show more and show them more information. The next step is to add links to your channel in some way. If you've got any videos on your channel, then link back to them here. You can also link back to your social media accounts, to your website. Clearly, I am just writing links, but I hope you get the gist of what I'm talking about here. Okay, next of all, you have your tag section. This used to be important. It still is important. It's part of the metadata that YouTube uses to crawl your video and understand what it's about. But these days, it's just not a huge factor. It's just not that important. So, you know what? You can write the title of your video. So this is my title. So I'm just going to copy it and I'm going to paste it in there. I'm going to write my channel name, put in your keywords. This is what I'm talking about. If you've done keyword research, which I hope that you have, then you would already know the keywords that are associated with your video. This is an area where you can put them. If you have a plugin like TubeBuddy, which I will link down below for you guys, it's actually going to start telling you all the associated keywords, keyword phrases, and information for you that you can use as part of your tag section. Here, video thumbnails. YouTube automatically will capture 3 different frames from your video, and they're probably all going to be terrible. Click custom thumbnail and upload your own thumbnail. And you should also add your video to a playlist. Translations, if we go up to the top here, translations, you can select your language. You can also translate your video description into another language. Advanced settings up the top here. I highly recommend you just keep everything as is. When you are done, you hit the blue button, done. But what I've noticed here is that some of the stuff that we need is missing. I'm going to click on Return to Studio Beta because some of the really cool things that you need are in this part of YouTube. Click on Videos, click on your video link. What you've got on the side here, add cards. These are like the little white things which flash on the screen and come out and people can click on them to go to other videos on your channel. What you definitely need to do is add an end screen. What you should do is two things. Add a subscribe button to your end screen. Keep in mind, these are only for the last 20 seconds of your video. Then click add element again and do create video or playlist and select best for viewer. If you select best for viewer, then YouTube is more likely to serve people other content from your channel that they are more likely to click on and continue watching. If you have other videos on your channel, do that. I don't, and you might not either. Click this one, choose a video or playlist, and I'm just going to put in a video here. This is simply for an example, just to show you. I've just gone with Boxes by Goo Goo Dolls. I'm gonna save, wait for it to save, return to YouTube Studio. Everything's saved, it is done. And that is it. Now I know that I haven't covered everything. There is so much more that I could tell you about uploading a video that can actually be really helpful and help you to, go up the ranks and get found in search. If you want to know that kind of information, then tell me, leave me a comment down below. Show this video a little bit of love, give it a like, share it around, and subscribe to me if you haven't already. I look forward to catching you all next time. I'm gonna leave you with another really awkward goodbye. Bye.